4078, line up runway 14 and wait.
Set line up 14 and wait, Bangladesh 4078. Bangladesh 4078.
Bangladesh 4078, Dhaka.
Ma'am, request how long we'd have to hold over here.
4078, standby. Bangladesh 4078, Dhaka.
Go ahead, ma'am.
There is a uplifted runway light, ABM North Alpha. Confirm you can take off. That is 1000 feet short of Charlie.
Stand by, ma'am.
Standing by.
Tower Bangladesh 4078.
4078, Dhaka.
Yes, ma'am.
Roger. Bangladesh 4078, after departure, climb runway heading 2000 feet. And this is your last transmission. After departure, continue climb flight level 290 on radial 161. Surface wind 210, 10 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 14.
Okay, after departure, climb on Delta Alpha Charlie, radial 161. Fly type level 290, good for takeoff, runway 14 Bangladesh 4078.
Bangladesh 4078, airborne 41, stop climb flight level 170, report passing 4000.
Please stop climb level 170, call you passing 4000 Bangladesh 4078.
Papa Victor Victor 8754 on final, request to Joe.
Negative. Papa Victor Victor 8752, confirm established. Radial 324.
Stability 324.
Continue approach.
Continue.
Papa Victor Victor 8752. 4 miles to final runway on 4. Contact Dhaka Tower 1183. Good day.
1183. Thank you. Good day.
Papa Victor Victor 8752, take it down and long. Serving wing 160, 14 knots. Clear climb runway 14.
Clear Holland 14, Papa Victor 8754.
Papa Victor Victor 8752, proceed up to end of the runway, turn left, taxi 50. Wind packet, contact ticket ground 118.
Papa Victor Victor 8752. Sierra. Hotel. Hold medium hotel.
Sierra Hotel. Hold. Sorry, confirm. After hotel.
Hold medium hotel.
Hold window hotel. Thank you.
Bangladesh 361, report holding point runway 14.
holding 1 runner 14 Bangladesh 361. Dhaka Tower Bangladesh 361 holding 1 runner 14 November 2, we are fully ready.
361 full holding point runway 14 traffic 8 miles final.
Roger, traffic copy it, holding point runner 14 Bangladesh 361.
Bangladesh 361 behind Airbus 320 on short final, line up behind and wait.
Behind landing traffic, clear line up runner 14 behind and wait, Bangladesh 361.
Bangladesh 361, pre-departure EQ 1 Delta, initial altitude 4000 feet, surface wind 190°08 knots, runway 14 clear for takeoff.
Eco 1 Delta, initially 4000, clear for takeoff, runner 14 Bangladesh 361.
Bangladesh 361 airborne 21, contact Dhaka approach 121.3. Good day.
Approach 1213 Bangladesh 361, good day. Dhaka approach Bangladesh 3.
Dhaka, hello, Emirates 46 Foxtrot, fully established on the RMP, runway 14.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, service wind 21008 knots, continue approach.
46 Foxtrot.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, surface wind 22009 knots, runway 14, clear to land.
Let's land, runway 14, Emirates 46 Foxtrot. Emirates 46 Foxtrot, just to confirm, we hit a bird on the approach for your information.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, contact Dhaka ground 121.8.
Okay, I'll tell them about the bird, Emirates 46 Foxtrot. Ground, hello to you, it's Emirates 46 Foxtrot, vacated at Sierra 2.
Emirates 46 Foxtrot, taxi Sierra, hold short takeoff.